Welcome or welcome back to my channel. To my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For my new supporters, thank you, welcome on board. Please make it official by tapping the subscribe button to join the family. Today we're preparing some beef soup. So if you love what you're seeing, so just continue watching guys to see how I achieve this lovely bowl of soup. So we're heading straight to the kitchen. So here's our starting ingredients, guys. We have some chicken foot, beef, cow tripe, cow foot, and that's all cut in small pieces already. So we're just going to wash this with vinegar, and then we can add seasons of choice. So do continue watching, guys. We're going to season this, and we have some water on the side of the stove boiling. When it comes to a fully boil, then we're going to add our meat. So I'll catch you then. Of red peas or red bean. Yes, and I'm just going to wash this and add it to my water on the stove. To that we're also going to add a garlic, and we put that until it's come to a boil, then we add our seasoned meat. So I'll catch you when there's a step to be explained. We'll continue watching guys. Flour, salt, water to form a dough, and we're just going to cover this and allow it to rest while we prep our ground food. And all that will be on the screen which I'm using. I don't have everything, but I love to prepare my pea soup with sweet potato. That's a must. So I have sweet potato, Irish potato, a piece of dashine, carrot, my scallion, thyme, hot pepper. Corn is optional. I'm adding a few pieces, and also my coconut milk. I'm using the powder one. You can use a freshly squeezed one if that's available to you. So here I'm checking on my meat, and the peas it's fully cooked. So we're just going to add our spinners. We're going to form our spinners and add our ground food. Then we come back when it's time to add the rest of ingredients. So just do
butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh, oh.
And our coconut milk. Now we're going to add some spice to this. We're going to add some more pimento seed, scallion, thyme, and hot pepper. And we're going to allow those to boil for a couple of minutes. Then we taste and adjust taste if needed. Add some butter. Yes, and then we just let our soup simmer. Then we can serve. So I'll see you at the end of the video. So if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment, and also put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. And here I'm adding my noodle. This is a plain noodle, and I'm just adding a couple dash of the noodle pieces and a piece of the season cube that's inside. So see you at the end of the video, guys.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
You guys know I'm a soupy already. And this one was a hit. Yes. Real good, I'm telling you. So if you enjoy this one, please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and do check out my foodie playlist. And you'll find a lot of goodies there, both local and international dishes. So thank you guys again for watching. And to all my returning supporters, respect to you all for always coming back. And for the new supporters, I appreciate you coming on board. Just tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to become an official part of the family. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.